Aroha Tuira, you are charged that together with Thomas Tuira, between or about 6 April 2017 and 21 May 2021 at Christchurch, by deception and without claim of right, obtained ownership, possession of or control over property directly or indirectly, namely 19 transactions totalling $1,876,510 in connection with agreements.
E haere tonu ana ko te kēhi Ponzi e whā i ratahi miriona tāra, a e tāre ana mo te whakataunga o Aroha Tuira.
To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Ko pāngia mai ko ngā hāmenetanga e rua ki runga o Aroha Tuira, rāua ko tōna hoa pūmau a Thomas Alex Tuira mo te tāhae pūtea mā te whakahāwea. E ai ki ngā kōrero no te tau 2014 i te marama o Mei, tai noa ki te tau 2021 i te marama o Mei, i hianga te tokorua rā i ngā kaipupuri pūtea i te whā ira tahi miriona tāra maroto mai i ngā pakihi. Nō reira, i tāhaingia e te tokorua rā ngā pūtea mai ngā hāpori o Jehovah's Witness me ngā hāpori Māori huri noa i Ōtautahi, pēnei i tētahi tangata i ngaro i te nuinga o ana pūtea.
This investor had known both Mr. and Mrs. Tuira his whole life and considered them family. The offending occurred between May 2014 and May 2021. Only ceasing when their fraud came to light following continual failures by the defendants to respond to requests for funds to be withdrawn. They were also affiliated with a Christchurch-based learning village that provides primary and secondary education to the Māori community. During the period of offending, the defendants were directors and or shareholders of an entity called Ngākau Aroha Investments Limited, NAIL. Mr. Tuira delivered introductory level seminars aimed at encouraging Māori to become debt-free.
Ko tā Thomas Alex Tuira, he hoa tata ki ngā tāngata motuhake, pēnei ia Tony Robbins, rātou ko Robert Kiyosaki, wai hoki ko Michael Jordan. Nā waira i haumi atu ētahi kai haumi ki tāna pakihi.
The investor believed Mr. Tuira was Robert Kiyosaki's right-hand man. She also believed Tony Robbins was their friend and he would visit them. Tony Robbins would land his helicopter in their backyard. Mr. Tuira had read Mr. Kiyosaki's books. Mr. Tuira also falsely described business relationships he had with various wealthy individuals, for example Sanjeev Sadi, an Indian billionaire and businessman. While Mr. Sadi is a wealthy businessman based in India and was introduced to Mr. Tuira on one occasion via Donna Morris, he never invested in NAIL or any other business associated to the Tuira family.
I whātoro atu te tokorua nei ki ngā kaipupuri pūtea mā te tuku karere me te wai atu. Ka mutu e whakatairanga ana i ngā whiringa haumi tū mataiti kia tere te whakatau, kia riro ai te wāhi.
In most instances, Mr. and Mrs. Tuira pitched investment proposals as time-sensitive investment opportunities, available only to members of his close proximity. Examples include investors believed they had to commit to investing within 48 hours of being approached by Mr. and Mrs. Tuira. Investor believed the investment opportunities were only available on a very short time period.
Aroha Tuira has been arraigned and entered guilty pleas to two representative charges of attaining by deception. On both those charges, you're now convicted.
Ko mutu te kōtitanga, whai muri te whakarāpopototanga o tēnei kēhi. A ka kōkiri tonu te whakawāwhiunga, hei te whitu o Noema, hei te mutunga o tēnei tau. Shakayla Andrews Alapaki, Tohu News.
Ko te reo, te take.